Metrics aren't just numbers on a dashboard, they tell a story. When combined with customer data, they uncover trends and drive action. In Planhat, metrics are stored as time series data, which simply means it's data stored over time. And that's essential when it comes to customer management. Understanding whether a customer is doing better or worse than before and spotting those changes early is key to driving long term outcomes. The most common form of time series data is product usage or product analytics, which help track how adoption evolves. But it's just as important to monitor other patterns, like rising support ticket volume or shifts in revenue over the life cycle of a customer. In Planhat, time series data fuels decision making across every team. Customer success teams track product adoption and prevent churn. Sales teams uncover expansion opportunities. Service delivery teams monitor utilization and project performance. Marketing teams track engagement and campaign results, while finance teams measure revenue trends and forecasting. But to truly unlock the power of time series data, we need to understand how it's structured here in Planhat. Time series data in Planhat exists in two layers: raw data and calculated metrics. Each plays a unique role in turning customer signals into insights. Raw data is the foundational data that Planhat receives. It's useful on its own, but often is too granular or too broad to give teams the insights they really need. Examples include fields like number of products purchased, user activities like logins and feature usage, health score inputs, product behavior data, or revenue data. While raw data gives you the what, it's calculated metrics that answer so what. Now, calculated metrics are where time series data becomes truly powerful. They're a core building block in Planhat, enabling you to transform raw data into meaningful and actionable insights. With calculated metrics, you can turn raw login data into a rolling 7-day usage trend, compare this month's activity to last month's, track project completion rates over time, or create custom metrics that align with your team's goals. Pro tip: if you're syncing a number field from a traditional CRM, convert it into a calculated metric in Planhat to retain historical values and track changes over time. So, where does this data come from? There are several ways to bring time series data into Planhat, depending on your tech stack and use case. Through native integrations with tools like Pendo, Segment, or Mixpanel, via your data warehouse with tools like Snowflake or BigQuery, using Planhat's API or tracking script, or by uploading Excel files manually. Once this data is available, time series data drives action across Planhat in powerful ways. Through automations and alerts, it can trigger follow ups, flag expansion signals, or notify teams of risk or overutilization. It powers segmentation, helping you filter at risk accounts, group users by engagement, or track project status. It feeds into health scores so you can assess customer health at a glance. It drives success units, which let teams visualize progress towards key adoption or business goals. And it comes to life in pages and dashboards, making it easy to monitor usage trends, deal velocity, project profitability, and more. Without metrics, you're making decisions in the dark. With time series data in Planhat, you can spot risks early before they become problems, identify revenue and growth opportunities, and take proactive action backed by real customer insights. And that's what makes time series data one of the most valuable tools in your Planhat workspace.